Hello class, today we are, as you can see, obviously learning about Algebra 1. I'm Abbas Al-Dairy in the flesh, but you guys will call me Mr. Al-Dairy because I'm your teacher, alright? Now, this is the bell work right here. If you can use your eyes, you can see the question. And I'm going to give you guys exactly 3 minutes, 49 seconds to finish this. If you don't finish it, it's a 0. What can I say? So yeah, get to your bell work, get to it, make it snappy, alright?
Bro, how do you even do this, bro? Like, what's even happening? What am I supposed to do?
Go safe. Can you help me? I'm lost like a negative exponent in the denominator. I got you, bro.
What do you stuck on?
I don't know how to do it. Can you tell me?
Yeah, so first you're supposed to,
Wait, how is this even useful? Like, nobody uses this in the real world.
it's useful, you just don't pay attention.
That was a good game we had then.
Yeah, it's good.
Hey, I wonder when I gotta get back home.
You want me to pick you up?
Yeah. Bro, my grades are so trash, bro. It's all because of algebra. It's so useless. I don't know why we had to do it in the first place.
It's not useless, you just gotta put the use in it.
Stop glazing algebra.
I don't like
Oh my,
glazing.
you always glaze algebra,
It's
bro.
not my fault, you don't pay attention.
Whatever, bro, whatever.
Molly, how's he hitting all those shots?
Bro, I'm better than him, bro. He's trash.
Bro, come on. He's hitting all these shots.
Let's make a wager.
Alright, bet. How much?
100.
$100? Alright, bet.
Easy money.
Yo, bro.
Yo.
Yo, you trying to run again? Trying to run one? One?
Yeah.
I want you just at my class, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, it's all good, man. I hope you finished your bell work. So you're trying to run ones, though?
Yeah.
I can't run ones because I tore my Tyrannosaurus Rex in my left Achilles. But I got you with shooting shootout, around the world.
I bet.
Down for that? Alright, so this is how it's gonna work, man. We're gonna shoot 3 here, 3 there, and 3 over there. Now I'm gonna go first, alright?
Yeah.
You got that?
Yeah.
Alright, bet. This one here is already cast. Go. Now that's all you. Don't sell now.
Alright, bro, what? You got lucky.
Yeah, that's all. Alright, I already made one, and you missed one.
Yeah.
We're gonna repeat the same steps here and here,
Alright.
and yeah. That's cast right there. Alright, bro, let me see it, bro. Hey, now it's all you. Don't sell now. You're one guy. Yup, that's it. Listen, look, with the power of math, I can pretty much make anything. Like, watch this. Irish Spring Green, and there. See? Look at that, bro. Hey, you already lost, but you can shoot your watch this game. I can turn around too. You think I'm trash? Watch, this is my math. That's gotta go over the backboard. This is my math. I already know. Okay. No, man, we all start somewhere. But
I've been playing so much soccer and stuff. I enjoy this more.
let me explain to you how I did this using math. Alright? Ready? Hey, don't worry about it, alright? It's just math. But that's besides the point. I'm here to teach you how to make those shots.
Let me get that ball.
Just like me. Alright? Luckily for you, I have a pencil right here and a notebook.
Where'd you just pull that from?
Don't worry about it, I don't like talking about it. Anyway, we're panning over here.
Yeah.
This is me
Okay.
with the ball. And the hoop is over here. Now when I shot the ball,
Yeah.
you might have seen it look something like this. The ball right here, this is like its trail. Boom, going through the hoop.
Yeah.
It might look like that. And you guys might be very fond with the shape. You know why?
You guys, who are you talking to?
Don't worry about it, just listen. Because this shape is also known as a parabola, right? You see the resemblance? Very significant resemblance. And if you pin it over here, me with the ball again, shoot in the hoop, into the hoop, right?
Yeah.
This might look like something you guys know very, very well.
Yep.
I haven't done it in probably quite a while. Known as a slope. as you can see, that's the slope, rise over run, and the parabola.
Who are you
And
even
this is
talking-
how I made my shots. Come closer.
Bro, what are you talking to?
All right, the first method I used was to make the shot was parabola. This guy over here. In order to find the parabola, we must find x first. The formula for x is negative b over 2a. And then we must find the vertex. The vertex is just x and y. In order to find this, we must do ax squared plus bx plus c. Now, let's come up with an equation that I used to make a shot. Okay, let's do this for example. X squared minus 4x minus 36. We must find a, b, and c. And that's the simplest part of the equation. A is obviously going to be the first one. A is, as you can see, there's no number here, but we always know there's always an invisible 1 in front of every variable. So a equals 1. Now the second one is b. We can easily see that b is negative 4. So b equals negative 4. Then c is negative 36 because it's the third one, abc. ABC. Boom, negative 36. Now, let's find x. Using our equation, x equals negative b, which is negative 4, over 2a. 2, 1. 2, 1. Now, let's solve it. Negative and negative cancel out. So Brody's just a 4 now. Then, 2 times 1, it's not that hard, it's just 2. Boom, now we must simplify, because we don't mess with the mixed factors or none of that. 4 and 2 simplified is 2 over 2, which is pretty much 1. So x equals 1. Got that out of the way. Now, we have to find the big boy, the vertex. What we really need. The vertex, in order to find the y part, because we're going to have x in order to find the y, we have to solve this equation. I'm going to click a lot, but I'm here to guide you. We must do ax squared. So a, we found out was 1, right? But x, we found out was also 1. So boom, 1 squared. Plus b, which is negative 4. And since it's a plus and a minus, it just turns into a minus. Minus 4. And once again, we know x is 1, so bx times 1. Now we get 36 plus negative 36, but we already know since it's plus and minus becomes just minus, we do minus 36. Now let's solve this. 1 squared is just 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Not that hard. Now negative 4 times 1 is just minus 4. Then this by itself, negative 36. Now, using this is how we find y. So 1 minus 4, that's going to be negative 5. Bring down the 36, negative 36. Now it's negative 5 minus 36, which is just going to be negative 41. That's going to be our y. So now we know the vertex. We know that x equals 1, and the vertex equals 1 over negative 41.
Okay.
Now we have to graph that. Or to graph that, boom, boom. It's quite a big number, but just work with it. We know that 1's pretty much right here, and negative 41, since negative is always down, and this is the y, this is the y, this is the x, boom, 1x. Now negative 41y will go down, negative 41y is probably somewhere around here. This is where our dot is. Now we turn it into a parabola by boom and boom. So now, our parabola is Brody over here. Now that looks a lot like the shot I made. Come closer.
Bro, who are you talking to? I don't understand.
Bro, I'm not gonna say it again.
Alright.
Anyway, I already showed you the amazing way of how I use parabola to make my amazing shots. Now I'm gonna show you my second way, using slope. Slope is very, very simple. You get 2 points. You get 1 point, and you make a slope. Let me show you. Now look, this is what we're gonna do. A slope is when rise over run, which is this. Say for example, we have 3, and we have 1. The 3 is gonna be our rise, and the 1's gonna be our run. Okay. And in order to graph this, very, very simple, guys. Guys, very simple. Listen, just gonna have to make it a little bit bigger to show you guys what I'm talking. Let's just say, okay, so the 3 is gonna be the y-axis. It's gonna rise 3 right upwards. The 1 is gonna be the x-axis, horizontal. Yeah. So let's just say this amount is 3 and this amount is 1.
Yep.
We're gonna grab some points using the same pattern, up 3 to the right 1, and look where we will be. Boom, 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 boom. Now if we connect all these dots, you guys are gonna see something very, very magnificent. It's gonna look like the arc on my shot when I'm shooting. Boom. As you can see, that is like the second half or the first half of my shot. If we would complete it, it would look like that, and that's pretty much almost identical to my shot. So that's how I dogged little bro over here in basketball.
Nope. Call me that.
Hey, bro, where the frick were you? Where's my money?
What?
Where's my
Yo,
money?
I got it. Let me go get it.